There is something common between you and me that we both want to edit our videos in a simple and effective manner. So, my friends, I'm Santosh and I will tell you now 5 easy steps to simply edit your videos and make your video editing experience simple and peaceful. I remember the amount of pain I had when I first started editing my videos, and the amount of time it took me was almost, I think, 2 3 days or maybe 4 days. I had my video, existing, but I was simply unable to edit because I was not aware how to edit all these videos. And let me show you. Imagine the amount of pain you may get into when you start editing your videos. So let me show you what I went through when I first started creating my videos and wanted to edit them. So I had to write all those timings from which to start to where to end, and all these timings I had to keep track. And the one of the problem when I used to split or cut these smaller parts, let's suppose I cut my first part or second part, all these timings start changing because now the first portion is already cut. Then after those are cut, I need to now check that how do I merge all those parts. And then there were sometimes issues of poor audio which I had to correct somehow. There were some videos where I wanted to add some text, which was again painful because I was not aware how to add those text. And then the last part was, of course, how do I share it to social media. So let me show you all this today in the 5 simple steps. For this I use Vita software, Vita app. So let me check where is my Vita. Okay. So here you need to create on a new project. You select any one of these to edit, and let's suppose I have selected this one. So it starts loading. The benefit of Vita app is that it shows you all the video parts in a very structural way. So if I click on my video, you can see that there is a straight line and then there are zigzag paths, right? Which means that is the part where the audio is there. So even if I play this, you will see that I'm just coming in front of the screen. Hi friends, I'm ready for my next impromptu challenge. Ask me anything. When in your life have you been? So you see, this is the part it shows you all the audio part. You don't have to actually write down all the seconds and minutes and all that thing. What you can easily do is just drag this here. You know that okay, till this part this is all blank. So what I do, you see the split here, the first option at the bottom. I do a split. I select this part again, and here there is a delete. I just simply delete this, and I know that if I start Hi friends, I'm ready for my next impromptu challenge. So you see, you have got the audio now. Like this, I can split this into multiple parts, wherever I see a blank, which means I'm not speaking and I'm doing something else. And then at the last again, because I ended my video. So 10 seconds, 9 seconds are still left. Thank you. You see a lot of blank there. What I'll do, I'll drag this till this point. I'll say a split and I'll do a delete. This is done. So your merge and your splits are done. So you see this is all available here. You can delete the the portions which you don't want to have. Now how do I add text in this? So for that there are many available options. Simply click on T and then you insert a text here. So you can write anything. and then it is available there. I can drag it and at wherever I want to say it, and then you can just by touching you can drag the entire screen of this text, which means that the if you want to have it till the end, you need to drag it and stretch it till the end. Otherwise the portion where it
When
is
in your life
available,
have you been a
it will be
victim of
just at that portion
stereotyping?
it will be available, otherwise it will
Okay,
come blank.
so the topic is
Okay, the other part is about audio. So if you have poor audio or low audio, you can increase the audio also here. Now let me show you. Where is that? So you see a volume button here, click on that, and now you can drag it to increase of percentage. So let's suppose I increase it to 159%.
your life have you been a victim of stereotyping? Hello friends, I'm ready for my new impromptu
So like this you can increase, you can apply to all, which means all the audio clips will be this will be applied, and you say tick, which means that okay, now you want this audio setting.
challenge for the day. Ask me anything.
You see there is a difference now. Okay, cool. Coming back to now, what you can do is that you can click on export once it is all done, and this will start saving your video. Once it saves your video, you can then all the available options will be available, which will be about sharing to the social media. So if I come back, here from here you can share it to all the social media. Thank you. So friends, I hope you have now understood the simple steps of editing your videos to make it better. With this, I am Santosh signing off until we meet again to share, inspire, motivate and learn together. Thank you.